We all have them, those precious family recordings tucked away in a box or on an old hard drive. But time hasn't been kind to them. They become grainy, shaky, and the colors have faded. What if I told you that we can bring them back to life? Welcome to the world of AI video restoration. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to use an AI video enhancer in any video converter. First, open any video converter and import your digitized old family recording in AI video enhancer. Here, the AI gives you options: enhance video scale or resolution. You can select any resolution and click Preview Enhanced Frame to see the enhanced effect. If you are not sure which enhancement is best, you can reselect different resolutions or sizes and preview the effects until you are satisfied. Now, you just hit Enhance Now. This is the part that requires some patience. The AI is doing billions of calculations to rebuild your video frame by frame. Look at this. The AI enhanced version makes the overall video clearer without looking unnatural. So go find those old family recordings and bring your memories back to life. Thanks for watching.